Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Jar 1 All-Star Weekend. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike Jar 1 All-Star Weekend. This is in fact one of our first Jar morant sneaker reviews. So we got the Jar 1 All-Star Weekend in a black multicolor racer blue colorway, the All-Star Weekend colorway, in a UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. So before we get unboxing and show the box even, for those that don't know, Ja Morant is the point guard for the Memphis Grizzlies. He's probably one of the most exciting young players in the game today. And we'll look at the box so you can see his logo, and it says Ja Morant right there. So let's get showing the sneaker, and here they are. A lot of sneakers, well, basketball sneakers nowadays, they can be whatever colorway they want because of the new NBA sneaker regulations. Back in the day, you had to have your team's colors and a proportion had to be black. I mean, now you've got a lot of vibrant colors, and unlike back in the day, loads of NBA players wear low cut sneakers now instead of high cut. And I personally, I think that's because of Kobe Bryant, because you think of low cut Nike sneakers for basketball, I think of the Kobe. But that's just myself, and that just shows the legacy that Kobe done, because a lot of these guys are now playing in low cut sneakers. But that's just probably one of my things that I see. But now this is the first time we're reviewing Ja Morant sneakers. Very cool, very lightweight, and yeah, this kind of just reminds me of a Kobe. So we'll look at the outsole. We're starting with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole. You can see all this traction patterning. It's kind of a derivative from the herringbone patterning that you're used to seeing. And then you can see some kind of handwriting that Jar's written under it. I can't really tell what it says. I can just about read what the right says. It says, "All my life, my parents worked for the check," on the right hand side. And on the left, I can't make that out. I think it says, "Now I'm proud to say I work for the check." I mean, that is what it says. So, sorry guys, I could read it. That's my bad. Then in the midsole, you've got a foam midsole, but just embodied into the midsole, that's just underneath the insole, you've got an air zoom unit that's tucked into the forefoot. So that's for the cushioning. Obviously, this was made to Ja Morant's specifics, how he wants his sneaker to be, and as a point guard, he wants that explosiveness from the forefoot, because he's going to be doing a lot of drives. And if you are unfamiliar with his style of play, he's very explosive. He goes to the rim and tries to dunk on defenders. The upper of the sneaker is made out of an array of materials. You've got loads of synthetic materials and this multicolor print right here. So you've got like coral pink in the forefoot. You can see the mesh at the toe box area right there. And then at the lateral side, you've got a big Nike swoosh that's made out of this plastic. And if you look at the details that's shown on the swoosh, it goes all around from the lateral side to the medial side, and it's kind of like the skin on a basketball. That makes any sense if you look at the prints there. The heel, you've got all the synthetic meshes and this like PU leather paneling, and you got the 12 that's stitched on. That's Ja Morant's number for the Memphis Grizzlies. And this tag that comes with it, it's like a Nike employee badge. You got Ja Morant number 12 for the world headquarters of Nike, with this picture on it. And you got these these flat laces, Ja Morant with the foam tongue right there. And in the insole, I like this little detail. It's a foam insole, but you've got like all the calendar updates for or appointments for Ja Morant on his phone. And there is a lot of subtle like Easter eggs. You can see that Ja has written his daughter's name on just the inside of the medial side of the sole unit. And on the traction, you can see that it goes like here, right there. If you look in the medial side also, it says start from scratch, which essentially is what Ja Morant did. You know, he's from that kind of background. A lot of these basketball players are from like a working class background, and they worked hard to get to the position they're in right now. So big shout out to Ja Morant. You know, he's a great player. So Ja, if you're watching, we know that you're a great player. Keep doing what you're doing, and can't wait to try these on. So roll that footage. I'm gonna try to use Ja 1 All-Star Weekend for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. This is UK size 7.5, so this is ideal for me because if I was to play ball in these, I've got really nice lockdown support. These feel like they're not going to fall off. Very comfortable as well. I feel like I'm going to do loads of crossovers. Not that great, but you know, for Ja. Anyway, really cool on as well. Bright colors. Sure, I'm going to do well in the core. If you want to see it on feet review performance, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.